2019 Exam 2 Data Analysis, Question 4. Okay, we've got some data. Looks like we're heading towards the calculator now. And first of all, we've got to name the explanatory variable. We've got 9 a.m. and 3 p.m., but it tells us we're going to predict 3 p.m. from the 9 a.m. So if you're predicting from that, think about that. You're going to make the predictions. So the prediction is a response. That's y, which is the response. And this is x, which I remember x is for explanatory. And so 9 a.m. is going to be here, 3 p.m. is going to be here. So you can see that humidity 9 a.m. is the one we want. Now, the next one, we've got to do the equation of the line, and we've also got to do the correlation coefficient, R. So we've got to put the values into a calculator. Probably want to delete some of that stuff that's sitting on the top of it. So if you look at that, you can see you put the values in, and then list 1, list 2, and we've got some values out here. Now the point you've got to make here is the 3 significant figures. So let's have a look at those numbers and talk about significant figures yet again. So we've got it set up into A plus BX format because it's A plus BX format here. Make that your default setting. Won't get in a mess. And so we've got minus 1.26178. So you start counting from the first non-zero. So that's 1, 2, 3. Let's do a different color for this, otherwise it's going to get a mess. Draw a line. The 6 looks at the 1, 7 and 8 don't matter. 0 to 4 stay on the floor, 5 to 9 climb the vine. So we know we've got minus 1.26. And then we can do exactly the same thing for the other number, which is the B. We've got 0.7649999. And so we start counting from the first non-zero digit. So 1, 2, 3 for our significant figures. Then we draw our line. 4 looks at the 9. These ones don't matter. 4 looks at the 9, goes up. So we know this has got to be 0.765 because the 0 to 4 stay on the floor, 5 to 9 climb the vine. Into 9, you climb the vine. And then we're going to do R as well now. Oh, lots of significant figures. And it says 3 decimal places. Oh, they've been tricky. 3 decimal places. That's a bit easier to do. So 0.871257. 3 decimal places that chop off there. These don't matter. 1 looks at the 2, says you're fine. So the answer is 0.871. And so if we look at this, 3/5 got part B right. And interestingly enough, it's probably the significant figures most people did wrong. So you get marks for that. And part C, 76%. Again, probably people are better with decimal places than they are with significant figures. Just start counting from the first non-zero digit. That's all you have to do.